If you're a newbie content creator, a freelancer, or someone that just began on the online space, you're looking for something that is friendly for users to use, participate, and get rewards, this is one of the apps I am going to recommend to you. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sibola Nachase, and on my channel and on my other social media platforms, I share opportunities with us. What I do online is simple. I test opportunities, and once they are real or good enough to begin, I share it to my audience. So you can hit the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please like this video and leave a comment, thank you, or ask your questions on this comment on the comment section of this video. And you can check me out on other social media platforms, so you can also follow me. Now, this is one app I've been using for over 2 weeks, gotten results. I've also assisted over 200 persons began this, and I want to show you what we do here. So what we do here is simple. We come up every day and we watch videos to get rewarded. Okay, but this is what you need to take note of, especially if you're a beginner. Once you see this timer, it means you need to go off screen. Okay, we are given screen time so we don't spend our entire day on the app. One, it is good for your brain so it can relax and think of other things. Two, it is good for your eyes so you don't get all the light from the phone to your eyes. Now, you watch the videos and you get rewarded. So I'll just watch this video and I get rewarded for it. I get rewarded for every video I watch. You can also create your videos and upload here to get donations from viewers. Okay. Now, when you watch the videos, you're going to see a box.
I don't blame her. Because conducting a census in India is arguably the most logistically complicated task in the world.
Okay, so you can pause the videos, you can like the video, you can leave a comment. I advise you, every video you watch, please like the video. Liking the video means you're supporting the content creator to do more. Okay, appreciating the person for the work or for the work he or she is putting out there, creating information or creating content to educate us or make us feel excited. So don't forget to always like the videos and leave a comment. Failure to do so can put your account under suspension. All right, so this is what. So if you want to create a video, you can click on create. To see your rewards, you click on earn. So I'm just going to show you what I have earned so far for this week. Okay, so we are being rewarded in Lee and it is converted to USD, and if you're from Nigeria, it now gives you your local currency. So this is how to also check how many rewards you have gotten for the videos you watched. Now, for everybody that registers newly, you're going to be given a free glass. You're going to be given a free glass. This glass is going to help you get more things done. So this is what I have gotten so far. Okay, for just 2 days, because I got an extra glass yesterday. Now, one thing you should know is this: to register into this platform is completely free. You are not giving anyone anything. Okay, but if you want to get better results, you need to get a digital glass. Now, these are the digital glasses. There are different digital glasses, but I advise you go for the one that is $6. Reason being this, it is going to boost your productivity on the app. If not, you might take a long time before you can place payouts. Okay, so look for the $6 glass as a beginner to start with, and whenever you want to place a draw, they are going to charge you a commission of 30%. This is your profile. Immediately after registration, please come to your profile and create a profile. My network is bad, but you're going to see my image. I have my image, I have my first video. Creating videos isn't compulsory, but I will encourage you to do so because you get likes. You can also get donations from viewers. You can also get followers for your videos. Okay, so create your profile, add your picture, add your name, so they don't suspend your account. If you have other questions you want to ask, please, you can leave them in the comment section. I am also going to make a video on how to get your glasses. So follow me for more and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.